Good morning, my students. So last class I have done simple interest, few questions of simple interest, and I have given the basic concept of simple interest. Now I am going to solve some more questions based on simple interest. Okay, and you all are requested to solve questions time to complete your work. Clear? So solve questions with me. If you got the answer, this is very nice, very good. And if you have not got the answer, then you can check the process that where you have made the mistake. So now let's start the question. Clear? Question number 1. What sum of money? What sum of money lent out at 5% for 3 years will produce the same interest as rupees 900 lent out okay, this is the question. So what sum of money means what? We have to find out the principal. This is very clear. Lent out at 5% for 3 years. So will produce the same interest. This is very important here. Same interest. Means this question is divided into what? 2 parts. And in both the parts, simple interest is what? Same. Okay. So first we'll find out the simple interest for part 1. Okay. So simple interest means what? I. We can write I is equal to what? I is equal to P is not given in the first part. R is given 5 and T is given what? 3 by 100. Okay. And the second part is what? Second part, this is I1. Second part is I2. I2 is what? Same interest as rupees 900. So 900 is principal, 4 rate, and 5 is what? We can write 5 is a 15p by 100 is equal to what? We can cancel here. So 4, 5. So this will be equal. Okay. Means I1 is equal to I2 according to the question. So we can find out the value of P. So value of P will be equal to what? 180 into 100 divided by 15. You all also please solve. Don't waste time. You all also solve the question with me. Okay. So now here how many times? 5 3s are 15 and then 5 2s are 10, 0 0. And then here 3 6 are 18 and 0 here. So what? 1200. So what rupees is given? Rupees. So rupees 1200 will be the answer. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Next question is a sum of rupees 1780 becomes what? Rupees 2136 in 4 years. Okay. Find of interest, the rate of interest. So let's find out the rate of interest. So what is given? A sum of rupees this becomes this. Means what? This one is amount. this one is what? This one is principal. Okay. This one is amount, this one is principal. What you will find out? Yes, simple interest. A minus P. So what is A here? 2136. And what is P here? 1780. So now 6, then 30 minus 8, 5, 10 minus 7, 3, 356 is the simple interest. Okay. So rate of interest R is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by what? Yes, divided by 4. Principal. Principal is what here? 1786 into 4. So now cancel it. 2 ones are 2. Then 1 here. 2 sevens are 14. Then 1 here. 2 eights are 16. And then 2 eights are 16. Then again 2 eights are 2 nines are 18 and 0. Okay. Now we can cancel it with 2. So 2 6 are 18, 2 6 are 18, and here 2 4s are 8, then 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Then 11 6 are 66 and 11 2 5s are 10. No, it will not go. It will not go. So now 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then here we can do 5, 5 2s are 10. 0 0, then 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, and then what? 4 here, 5 9s are 45. So what we have? We have a 33 into 20 by 89. We can cut further to 10. Yes. So now finally what we have? Finally we have 330 divided by 89. Clear? So 330 divided by 89. Is everything okay? Let's check the question once again. A sum of rupees 1780 becomes 2136 in 4 years. Find the rate of interest. So R we have to find out. So first find out simple interest. 2136 and 1780. So here is what? 6, 13 minus 8, 5, 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7 is 356. So simple interest is what? 356. Okay. Now rate of interest. So R is equal to simple interest. Leave some place here so that we can do the calculation. So 356 into 100 by principal 1780 into what? 4. So here we can do 25. Okay. Then here cancel this one. 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 2 here. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. Okay, very good. See. So here is what? The rate is 5%. Okay, we were not getting enough place for the calculation. So for calculation you need good place. Enough place so that you don't make any mistake. So 5% answer. Now, next, sub part 2. Sub part 2 is the sum that will become. Find the sum that will become rupees 810 at the same rate of interest. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out the sum. Clear? We have to find out the sum that will become this. Means this is what? This is your A amount, because sum always changes into what? Yes, amount. So in 7 years at the same rate of interest, means rate of interest was what, 5%? In sub part 1 it was 5%. So we have to find out the sum. Okay, so sum is equal to what? One formula is here, that is A is equal to P1 plus RT by 100. This is very important formula. In this, when no simple interest is given in the question, then directly you can solve by using amount rate 2, 1, 3, 6. P we have to find out. 1 plus R is given what? R is given 5. We have what? And T is given in the question 7 and then 100. Okay. So 5, 10, 7. So 27 by 20. Okay. So this we have. Now I'm going to wrap this one so that we can do the calculation here. So we can write 2136 into 20 by 27, and this is equal to what? P. So this P we can write here already. Be here only. Now cancel this one. Okay. Okay. So now cut it. So 3. We can use 3. So 3 9s are 27. 3 7s are 21. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now we can we cancel? Just check how many times this we have cancelled. Yes. So now how many times 3 9s are 27. Then 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay. So again 3 3s are 9. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 here. 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. Let's look at the calculation once again. Here we have done 5 2s are 10 and 0. Okay, nothing is wrong here. So 1 plus 7 by 20. So 20 will be here. 20 plus 7, 27 by 20. This is correct. So finally what we have? We have 2136 into 20 by 27 is equal to what? Principal. This. So now this one we will cancel. So 3 9s are 27, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So is it possible to cancel? No, it is not possible to cancel. So what we will do? We will divide. So 9 divided by, just multiply this one. 7, 1, 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 4 2 4 0. Clear? Oh, something wrong here. The question add up here. Wait. We have to find out. No, the amount is given 810. Yes, yes. 810 is equal to P1 plus 20 by 27. So 810 is equal to what? by 27. So this is the amount given in the question. So P will be equal to what? P will be equal to 27. Yes, correct. That was 27 by 20. So it will be 20 by 27. Yes. Actually, enough space is not here. So 9 9s are 81, 0, 9 3s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9, 0. So P is equal to what? 600. So rupees 600 will be the answer. So the first answer was what? 5%, and the second answer will be 600. Clear? Now let's do the next one. So the next question is, a sum amounts to, a sum amounts to rupees 2652 in 6 years at 5% per annum simple interest. 5% per annum simple interest. Okay, find the sum. First you have to find out. Find first the sum. Okay, so a sum amounts to rupees this one in 6 years at 5% simple interest. Find the sum. Very good. That formula we'll use. So that formula is what? A is equal to P1 plus RT by 100. Clear? So what is A here? 2652. Then P1 plus 5 into 6 by 100. Clear? So now 5 to the 10 is equal to P into 13 by 10. When you will solve, you will get this one. Okay. So P will be equal to what? P will be equal to 2652 divided by what? 13 into 10. So I am writing this part here. Yes, so this part I have to solve it. So I am writing here 2652 into 10 divided by 13. So how many times? 13 twos are 26, then 0, then. Now next is find subpart 2. What is subpart 2? Subpart 2 is the time in which. Subpart 2, the time in which. Clear? The time in which the same sum will double itself. In which the time in which the same sum will double itself at the same rate of interest. At the same rate of interest. At the same rate of interest. Clear? So a sum amount to this in 6 years, 5% simple interest. The time in which the same sum means what we got in that 2040 will double itself at the same rate of interest. So rate of interest is also what? Same. Double itself. Double means what? Means when you multiply with 2, you will get what? 4080. Clear? So this is your amount. Then the simple interest will be equal to what? Of course, when you do A minus P, you will get again 2040. So what you have to find out? Find the time. So time is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by principal. Again, principal is also here because it is double itself. So when this is the principal. So when it will double, it will become this. And for simple interest, A minus P. So at the same rate of interest is 5. So this and this cancel, this is cancelled, 20. So time will be what? 20 years. Okay. So please, I hope you have also got the same answer. Okay. Now the next question. P and Q invest. P and Q is 25,000 Okay, respectively at the same rate of interest at the interest per year if at the end of 4 years P gets rupees 3080 more interest than Q. Find the rate of interest. Find the rate of interest. Clear? Means R%. We have to find out. Okay. So P and Q invest this one more than Q. Means first we will find out of Q. Clear? So first we'll find the rate of interest. So first we'll find out Q. So rate of interest for Q, it will be equal to what? It is given respectively at the same. So R is equal to simple interest we'll find out. So I will be equal to what? I will be equal to for Q 25,000 into R into T is 4 and divided by 100. So this and this cancel. What is it? What we have? And then one more 0. Okay. So this is for P. I, P. Now I, this is for Q. Yes. And then R into T by 100. So this and this cancel. When you multiply, what you will get here? 400. Then 1 rupees 144 R. Now what is given here? The difference is given. If at the end of 4 years P gets this more than this, means we have to find the difference. So after this, I hope you have noted down this one. One is this quantity and another one is what? This is of P. And here R is also given. So difference is given what here? Difference is given 144. Start from here. 1440 is equal to 3080. So when we will cancel, means to subtract, what we will get here? 440 R is equal to 3080. So R will be equal to what? Divide by 440. Cancel 11 4s and 11 2s 8s. Then set. Clear? Okay. Now let's do the next one. I hope you all are also doing sums with me. Yes, do it. You will save your time. Clear? And separately you don't have to give time for these questions. Now next, a sum of money. A sum of money is lent for 5 years. Is lent for 5 years at R%. Simple interest per annum. Simple interest per annum. Okay. If the interest earned, be 1/4 of the money lent, money lent. Find the value of R. Find the value of R. Clear? So a sum of money is lent for 5 years at R%, simple interest per annum. If the interest earned be 1/4 of the money lent, so let the money lent is what? P. Then simple interest will be equal to what? 1/4 of P. Okay. Find the value of R. We have to find out R. R is equal to simple interest. So simple interest 1/4 P. Clear? Simple interest R is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by principal into what? Principal into for how many? 5. 5. So this P and this P cancel. This is what? 25 and this is what? 5. So your answer will be what? 5%. Because it is given in the question that this is what? Simple interest earned be 1/4 of the money lent. So let the money lent be what? P. Okay. Now let's do the next question. I hope you all have done T here without any problem. The simple interest earned on a certain sum is the simple interest earned on a certain sum is on a certain sum is 5 years in certain sum in 5 years is 30% of the sum. 30% of the sum. Find the rate of interest. Find the rate of interest. Clear? So, the simple interest earned on a certain sum in 5 years is 30% of the sum. So, let the sum be what? Let the sum be x. So, then simple interest will be what? 30 of x or 30p by 100. Find the rate of interest. So R is equal to what? Simple interest. Simple interest. Sorry, R is equal to simple interest. This is simple interest into 100 divided by what? Divided by this is cancelled. This is what? 6. So your answer will be what? 6%. Clear? It is not difficult. It is very easy. I hope you all have also done all the sums now only. So please utilize this time to solve the questions, to understand the questions and to match the process and the answer with me.